So in this problem, we need to verify that x1 equals to x2, y1 equals to y2, and z1 equals to z2 if a vector, b vector, and c vector are three non-coplanar vectors, and we have this relation given to us. Okay, let us begin. So first, we'll start with the given relationship. So here we have x1 times a vector added to y1 times b vector plus z1 times the vector c. This is equals to x2 times a vector plus y2 times b vector plus z2 times the vector c. Let's transpose the three terms on the right hand side to the left hand side and combine all the like terms, and that's going to give us x1 minus x2 times the vector a added to y1 minus y2 times the vector b added to z1 minus z2 multiplied to the vector c, and this will be equals to 0, but it's not a scalar 0, it has to be a vector 0, because on the left hand side we are adding three vectors, that they must sum up to give us some vector. In our case, it's a null vector. However, it's given that the three vectors, a vector, b vector, and c vector, are non-coplanar. That's a condition that's given to us. They are non-coplanar. If they are non-coplanar, then this particular equation is going to be true only when x1 minus x2, this is the coefficient of vector a, that's 0. We have y1 minus y2, that must be also equals to 0, and z1 minus z2, that should be also 0 as well. That means we have x1 equals to x2, y1 equals to y2, and z1 equals to z2. So we have verified that x1 will be equals to x2, y1 will be equals to y2, z1 will be equals to z2, provided a, b, and c are non-coplanar vectors, and we have this relationship.